Hey, I've got a nice 12-piece digital tire pressure gauge set from WorkPro. We're going to take a look at this. It comes in this nice little box. It even has a carrying case. I haven't put it together yet. Let's just take a quick look on the inside here. And what we have is our gauge, our digital gauge. My favorite part here is the tire stem screwdriver. Nowadays, when they're plastic, you cannot get those valve stems out. But look at this one. All machined. You can even get a wrench on this to break loose a valve stem. One inflation needle, one 1/4-inch male plug, one brass twist-on chuck, 2 rubber nozzles, 4 valve caps, 1 seal tape, and 2 AAA batteries. We'll go ahead and put some seal tape on the threads. Get our 1/4-inch hose adapter on there. Here is your holder for your 2 AAAs. Right here is your on-off battery. You can see your green lit display. And the black reads much better than it shows here on camera. And then we can set it up for bar, kilograms, PSI, and KPA. For my purposes, I am going to use PSI. The construction is very well made. I like the weight. The weight of it is good. Doesn't feel insufficient. You've got good pressure right here on this valve. You can feel the tension. That's without the air. And the hose, it's flexible but durable. So let's give it a try. So you get nice air pressure, get a really accurate digital readout. Feels good on the hand. And here on the side, you can release air right there. So just press that down and release your air. This has got a pretty shallow valve stem. So ideally, I wouldn't use this chuck. I found the WorkPro digital gauge to be pretty accurate. Construction is good. The only problems I had with it was this quick release chuck. I didn't want to bite down tight on the valve stems, so I actually had to hold it. Other than that, I don't see any issues with it. So if you're looking for a digital gauge that seems to be very well constructed, take a look at this WorkPro.